You just typed a message, hit send. 1 second later, 2 grey ticks, then 2 blue ticks. But where did that message actually go? Here is the thing nobody talks about. That message did not travel directly to your friend's phone, it went somewhere else first. And it was locked in a way that even WhatsApp cannot read it. Today we are going inside that send button, step by step, plain English. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what happens and why WhatsApp is actually one of the most private ways to communicate. You hit send. Your message does not teleport to your friend, it travels. First, your phone breaks the message into data packets, just like we saw in the last video when you click a link. Those packets travel from your phone through your Wi-Fi or mobile data to your internet service provider and then to WhatsApp's servers. WhatsApp has data centers spread around the world. Your message arrives at the nearest one. That is when you see the first tick. 1 grey tick means your message reached WhatsApp's server. That is it, not your friend's phone, the server. Now here is where it gets interesting. Before your message even left your phone, it was locked, encrypted, scrambled into unreadable gibberish using something called end-to-end encryption. Think of it like this. Imagine you write a letter, put it in a box and lock it with a padlock. You keep one key, your friend has the other key. Nobody else, not even the post office, can open that box. WhatsApp uses the Signal protocol to do exactly this. When you and your friend first connect on WhatsApp, your phones exchange digital keys, a public key that anyone can see, and a private key that never leaves your device. Your message gets locked with your friend's public key. The only thing in the world that can unlock it is your friend's private key sitting on their phone. WhatsApp's servers never see the actual message. They only see a locked box. They pass it along without ever opening it. This is why even if WhatsApp gets hacked, attackers only get scrambled data. Useless. Your message is sitting on WhatsApp's server, locked, waiting. If your friend is online, the server pushes the encrypted message to their phone immediately. Their phone uses their private key to unlock it. The message appears. You see 2 grey ticks, delivered. They open the chat and read it. Their phone sends a read receipt back. 2 grey ticks turn blue. Blue ticks mean one thing, they opened the chat, not that they read it carefully, just that the chat was opened. If your friend is offline, WhatsApp's server holds the message encrypted, waiting. The moment they reconnect, delivered now. This is what WhatsApp can see: who you message, when, how often, your phone number, your last seen. This is what WhatsApp cannot see: the actual content, what you said, the photos, the voice notes, all locked. This is metadata versus content. Meta knows you talked to someone for 2 hours, they just do not know what you said. Send button, encryption, server, ticks, delivery, blue ticks. That is what happens in the 1 second between you hitting send and your friend receiving the message. Next week, how does your phone know exactly where you are? GPS, cell towers, and the surprisingly clever system behind every map app. Subscribe. Because your smart friend just got a YouTube channel,